Hi, Ben here from the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to today's episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? I'm joined by Dawn today, who's one of the amazing maths team here at the college, and she's going to help me with this trick. So we've got ace through to 5 with hearts and spades, and we're going to start off by putting the spades on top of the hearts and giving them a little shuffle. So they're all mixed up, some cards face up, some cards face down. So at the moment we've got all the red cards are facing up, all the black cards are facing down. So to mix them up a little bit, we're going to do something called the down over shuffle. So down, over, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, over. So we're going to do this a few times to really make sure they're mixed up. We're going to do it with 2 cards this time. You're going to decide if it's down or over.
Okay, over, 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 down, over.
We'll do it again, but this time with 4 cards. 3, 4.
Over.
That's 5 cards. Over.
Down. Down.
We're going to do it again, this time with 2 cards.
Down. Down. Over. Down. Over.
And then 1 more.
Okay.
What would you like? 1, 2 or 4?
4.
Okay.
Down. Down. Over.
Now we're going to deal these out into 2 piles. And then fold them up like a book.
Okay, like that.
Yep, perfect. And then if the maths has worked, what should have happened is all the cards should have separated. So all the red cards are now facing up, and all the black cards are now facing down.
How did you do that?
And that's all maths. So if you want to find out, get in touch, find out, and we'll see how it works. See you in the next one. Cheers!